calling. Avon calling.
Hey, I've been going to see all the neighbors and give them all the big news. I see you're busy. Can I come in anyway?
Somewhere deep down
Thanks.
in my heart, I still love you.
Hey everybody, I know you've been expecting this.
Well, I've been expecting this.
I'm so excited to tell you that I'm going to start making some more videos for the Man Cave.
How dare you?
I'm excited too. I have some new recipes I want to test on you. I found my grandmother's recipe box, so there's always some goodness in there. So get ready, we'll have some fun and try some new techniques, some things you'll scratch your head and say, hey, I never thought of that. Please like, share, subscribe to the video, and we'll see you soon.